How to withdraw and sell your Hamster Combat tokens. Hey everyone, in today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw and sell your Hamster Combat tokens. I've got you covered. As many of you know, the Hamster Combat project is gradually coming to an end, and some of you might find it challenging to sell your tokens to get your full rewards. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. The first step you need to take is to select an exchange where you can sell your Hamster Combat tokens. You can choose from various exchanges like Binance, Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, Gate.io, and more. For this tutorial, I'll be using Binance. So, select your preferred exchange and let's move on to the next step. Next, ensure your wallet is connected to your Hamster Combat account. As you can see here, I've already connected my wallet. This step is crucial because your Hamster Combat rewards will be sent directly to the linked wallet. Now head over to your Ton wallet. When Hamster Combat rewards you, your balance will appear in the Hamster Combat section of your Ton wallet. Initially, it might show as 0, but once you're paid, you'll see the balance here, indicating the number of Hamster Combat tokens you have. Now let's go ahead and swap your Hamster Combat tokens. Click on the swap button, which you can see right here. At the top, you'll see a select option. Go ahead and click on that. Now search for Hamster Combat. Since the token hasn't been launched yet, you won't see it, but once it's live, it will appear here. To demonstrate, I'll use USDT as an example. Let's pretend this is your Hamster Combat token. Enter the total amount of tokens you received. For example, if you have 50 Hamster Combat tokens, just type 50 here. You'll see the equivalent value in Ton. If you have it in your balance, just click Buy to exchange it. Once you've swapped your Hamster Combat tokens for Ton, the next step is to transfer your Ton to your Binance account. If you don't have the Binance app, download it from the Play Store or App Store. Register and log in. On the Binance app, go to Wallets at the bottom right corner. Now remember, we've already swapped the Hamster Combat token to Ton, so we now have Ton in our Ton wallet. What you need to do here is to transfer the Ton from the Ton wallet to your Binance account. So go ahead and click on Deposit icon to transfer your Ton coins from Ton wallet to Binance. From the search bar at the top, search for Ton. Once you type it in, you'll see it appear right here. Tap on it. Now, we need to select the correct network, and Ton is the only available option, so select it. Here, you'll see your Ton coin deposit address. Copy this address by clicking on the copy icon, then go back to your Tonkeeper app or Ton wallet to transfer the Ton. On your Tonkeeper app, tap on Send, and then paste the address you've copied from Binance. Here you'll see a field labeled Comment. You'll also need to add it, so go back to Binance. Getting the comment, which is the memo from Binance, is actually simple. Here you'll see Ton Memo. Just copy the Ton Memo information by clicking on the copy icon right here, then go back to your Tonkeeper app. Paste this Ton Memo into the comment field. Review the details carefully, then tap Continue in the bottom of the screen. Make sure Ton coin is selected and specify the amount of Ton you want to transfer. For example, let's say you want to transfer 50 Ton to your Binance app. Now go ahead and click on Continue, and you'll be able to transfer this amount of Ton to your Binance app. Once your Ton has been transferred to Binance, if you want to exchange it for your local currency, all you need to do is head over to the Binance app. Head back to the Wallets section. The next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on Withdraw, just like this. You'll see the option for P2P trading. Click on it. So right here, all you need to do is go ahead and click on Sell. The next step you need to is select USDT, and you'll be able to see who you can actually sell it to. Find good buyer. Then complete the transaction to convert your tokens to your local currency. This is how you're going to be able to sell your Hamster Combat token once it has been launched. And this is how to withdraw and sell your Hamster Combat tokens once the project is launched. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.